Morning. Hi.
And you pee out the excess, so there's no need to worry about taking too much.
We could do that. The thing is, it might be a problem with them. We're gonna be showing a different company.
Tell them. Ask them.
Oh, you ask them if
talk
it's
to
fine.
you.
Oh, no problem.
What's your name?
Joe. You could ask them if it's possible, and then if it say yes, and probably do that, you know. Yeah, so it's fine, no problem with me. But I'm working with, it won't take time. Kasi nasa naman tayo, dito tayo sa labas. So, editing a video earlier para ipopost today, and then isa sa mga task natin is to go to some store to check. May mga nagbebenta ng mga pre-owned watches nila. And of course, since it's a Rolex or an expensive watch, they want to know if it's fake, if there's something like part of this watch, not everything is real. So, pupunta ngayon tayo dito ka. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi, Mr. Mike. Hi. I have one watch here. Sorry, let me just put it here. I'm sorry. There's a customer selling his watch, and you're the ones to check if all the parts are real. Ganito tayo ngayon, guys. Check niya kung mayroon bang parts na may sabit o lahat ay real. So, chine-check niya na.
Okay, the watch is original.
Everything is original?
The bezel and the dial is aftermarket.
This one, the crystal and then the bezel? Okay.
Bezel and inside the face.
The stud, the diamond inside the face?
Yes.
They are aftermarket.
Yeah.
So
the dial and the bezel is aftermarket.
Okay, copy.
But the watch is everything
is
original. Those are not original.
Right? So this
Yeah.
one is aftermarket.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mark. We appreciate you. Yeah, have a good day. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa park. Nasa atin na to. And then tingnan nyo yung quality. Punta tayo sa park, papalakarin natin si Tubol. After church, kumain. Nakatulog ako ng 2 hours. Antok na antok ako. Bumabawi talaga ako pag Saturday and Sunday. Yun, nag-rest talaga ako. Minsan kailangan kasi talaga mag-rest. Kailangan ng katawan natin yun. Sa grocery kami na, boss. Ay, papunta kami ng mall, dito Bull. Ayan siya, ganito ang itsura niya kapag nandito kami sa kotse. So, lagi siya nandito sa taas. Dito kami sa gas station, kakatapos na magpagas. Pupunta tayo ng mall, mag-walk-walk siya doon kasi today is Saturday. Say hi! Tubol! Ayan na, babay tayo, daddy. Let's go! Hi guys! Dito tayo sa mall. Dito na tayo. Hi po! Hi po ka, dadabay. Tapos na tayo guys kumain, pauwi na ulit. Okay guys, punta na tayo sa work. So some of you guys are asking bakit ako nagbabas. Explain ko lang sa inyo kasi sa downtown area ng LA, napakamahal ng parking kaya hindi na ako nagdadala ng kotse. Imagine, $20 per day ang singil nila in 8 hours. Andito na tayo sa work guys. Hindi ko na kayo na-update. So andito na tayo sa work. Mag-work tayo ng mga 8 hours and then it's gonna be a long day pero update ko kayo. Okay, and also there are some people who's asking ano nga ba yung work natin dito. We're currently working sa jewelry industry, watches, yung mga luxury watches. Yung pinakatrabaho natin, gagawan ko sila ng mga content na bago pa-post nila sa online para makabenta sila ng marami. So ito, pakita ko kayo ng isa sa mga video na ginawa ko for them. Ready ka na ba? Let's go! Tapos na tayo sa work. Going back home na, pauwi na tayo. Hihintay tayo ng bus. Thank you Lord for today. Hinihika ako sa sobrang lamig ngayon. Naka-long sleeve ako pero hindi naman ako naka-jacket. Kaya tumatagos yung lamig. Oh my God, anong ginagawa nito? Dito sa downtown, tingnan niyo yung mga homeless. Hindi ako nakapagdala na jacket tsaka mask. Importanteng may mask talaga dito. Ayan guys, sinaway ako nito Bull. Tawi mo, Daddy.
You do it in 3.5 months instead. Now, there are two ways you can take.
And you pee out the excess. So there's no need to know info on how to fuel your body and train when and for how long. Because there seems to be a lot of confusing information at preteen. And why you probably don't need to worry about it.
Uwi na tayo. This is Tubo. Say hi to them. Okay, nagpe-play pa tayo kay Tubo bago tayo mag-gym. Nakumain na ako ng pre-workout. So right now, I'm gonna be drinking creatine. Play muna ako kay Tubol bago tayo mag-gym. Say ba? Fish. Okay, inom na tayo ng creatine para pa-boost yung energy natin. So, let's go. So ngayon, pang second day ko ulit this week. I'm gonna do 5 grams. And then, we have this. Kasi medyo nasty when you taste it. When you drink, inaano ko siya para... So, ginagawa ko para hindi ko siya maramdaman ng buo. Okay, after that, diretso inom. So mag-water pa ako ulit. Nilalagyan ng flavoring yung ibang hinahalo sa whey protein. Okay, let's go. Gym na tayo. And then tomorrow is Friday na naman. Hindi ko na matiturn ito, pero on the way tayo sa gym, nandito tayo sa crossing. Parang napaginipan ko na to. Alam niyo ba yung deja vu? So dito tayo tatawid, kita niyo naman yan. Diba? Tayo mag-stop. Ang lamig guys, sobrang sarap ng ganitong weather talaga. Mahirap nga lang talaga mag-gym kasi malamig. So let's go, tawid na tayo. Pag malamig, mas nakakatamad, hindi ka pinagpapawisan. Mas mabigat ang katawan mo kasi malamig. So, parang pasmado ka na ewan na manhid. Ang lamig, sobra. Ako lang pakita sa inyo kung gaano kalamig ang Pagi. Para ako nasa Baguio. Ayun, dun din, Pagi. Simba tayo guys. Hi guys, natapos na tayo sa simba natin. So, happy and blessed na nakapaglaan ulit tayo ng time sa kanya. So, woo! Bahing. Okay. Hindi ko alam bakit ang init sa LA. 82 bigla, out of nowhere. Hindi naman ganito, malamig na dito everyday. Biglang ganito na lang. So, punta na tayo sa pupuntahan natin. So, napabukas ako ng aircon. Let's go. Ang init, 82. Hindi ko alam bakit biglang naging ganito. Magwa 1 month ng malamig. Out of nowhere, ganitong oras. Pero for sure yan, mga around 4-5 p.m. Mag-change ulit yan. Pakita ko sa inyo dinadaanan ko. nandito na tayo sa bahay. Kakain tayo ng ito, pre-workout meal. Ay, pre-workout meal pala. Okay, kailangan daw. Okay, this is fettuccine alfredo with chicken broccoli. Then, ang gagawin natin ay okay, sabi sa 3 minutes. Natry ko na yung kahapong kainin. So, medyo matabang. Lalagyan natin ng salt and pepper para magkalasa. So, initin ko lang siya ng 3 minutes. And then after that, bubuksan ng konti, imimix. And then another 1 minute and 30 seconds. Tapos kakain na tayo, okay? Aso kong matakaw. Ito, ang aso kong matakaw. Nagwakwak kahapon na matakaw. Kakakain lang niya ng dog food. Kasi pag inamoy mo siya, amoy dog food pero mami baby. Kiss natin mo naman. Damot naman ito. Say hi to them. Malamig siya. Kaya hindi mo siya maliligo guys kasi malamig pa. So, tapos na yung luto na ang ating pre-workout meal. 11 grams of protein naman kuha natin dito. Nalagyan ko ng salt and pepper para magkalasa. Ayan siya. Kain na. Meron tayong egg sandwich bukod dito sa 11 grams of protein. Hi guys, good morning. Papasok na naman tayo. Today is Friday. Last day natin today for this week. And 3 p.m. maaga tayo, so makakapag-gym tayo ng maaga. So makaka-edit na ako ng vlog. Nakababa na tayo ng bus. Andito na tayo. Naglalakad na tayo guys. Papunta sa apartment. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako salubungin ni Tubol. Isa sa pinaka-best thing na may experience mo kapag meron kang alagang aso is sobrang welcoming nila. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya magsalubong. Tapos aawain ako, kakagatin ako. Kagat niya yung yung lambing lang nakakagat. Thank you Lord. Basta naman tayo for the whole week. Raos tayo ng maayos at smooth. Hi guys, meron tayong bisita ngayon. Ang aking mga friends na mag-asawa na taga LA. Mag-dinner sila dito, then magbabanding lang kami, and then konting shot.
Good night.
Let's go! Ito kami ngayon sa grocery. We're just gonna buy something. Hi guys, unfortunately wala hinahanap namin dito sa grocery store. So uuwi na tayo. At isa kapag gala kami, bumaba kami saglit. Malamig. Wrapping this up? Do you have to sign something? No. We're good to go?
I'll give you the time copy.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Now? Do I have to wait?
Yes.
Okay, palabas tayo guys. Another day. Part ng work natin is to pick up something sa jewelry store. So, bumaba tayo ng building and then mag-pick up tayo. Samahan niyo ako. Hi, from Hello. Hi.
Hey.
Good.
Very good. Come on in. It must be. Yeah, you're only signing for one item. That was
Okay.
an older memo. Here you go. So that's what you're signing for. 2.07 carats, 2.07 carats, and there you go. What was your name again?
Joe.
Joe. Okay.
And your name is?
All right, brother. Sorry, it's crazy day, man. Crazy busy. Thank you very much.
Thank
nice
you.
to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'm just gonna take a picture here.
Sounds good. Yes.
Okay, ganun kabilis. Na-pick up na natin, then assign na natin. And let's go back to office. Maganda yung lighting ko, di ba? Nagsushoot tayo ngayon guys na Rolex unboxing. Ito yung setup natin. Medyo challenging siya kasi ito lang ako sa kitchen ng office kasi wala tayong ibang pagsushootan. And then yung fridge, naglolo ko na sa medyo tumutunog-tunog siya. Ito yung Rolex. Ito ko sa inyo. Parang mga ano to. Hindi ko alam kung magkano to pero siguro mga 20k, 20 plus or mga 1M. So ito yung sinushoot nating product. And ang theme natin ngayon ay unboxing. So medyo nahihirapan ako kasi dito sa kabilang office, customer service, so may mga tumatawag, nag-i-inquire ng watch, and then kanina may naglinis, and then tumutunog tong fridge. Sana magawa natin siya ng malinis at walang ibang noise kasi ASMR. So inaas to nung isang boss ko. Today is Friday. Thank you, Lord. Today is Friday, is maaga. Uwian. 9:50 ang arrival natin. Medyo chill lang tayo today kasi pag Friday, maaga kami. 3 p.m. Uwian na. Kasi yung boss namin, every Friday, since they're Jewish, meron silang Shabbat. I think before 5 p.m. dapat nasa bahay na sila, and then they're not allowed to use any engines. The reason why we have an idea about it, dun sa Rilo means ate-ate ko sa New Jersey, which is yung ate ni Hopia. Stay there for 5 months, and then experience ko talaga since they're Jewish, every Friday they have Shabbat. Di sila pwedeng lumabas. Every morning, kahit nakabas ako, nakikinig lang ako na worship song kasi nakakagaan sa pakiramdam. Nakakagaan at saka nakaka-positive ng mindset. Dito na tayo guys sa downtown area ng LA. So, I'll show you. Ayan na. Kaso tabingi. Dito na tayo sa work. Magpa-park na tayo. Thank you, Lord. We're safe. Weekend na, rest day tayo. Punta na tayo sa polishing. Guys ng mga Rolex.
11.
Oh, yeah. Pressing?
The lights on tonight. Anyhow, babe.
Oh, but it's working. Thank you. I thought you were going down. Thank you so much.
Alright.
Dito na tayo sa polishing. Mga Mexican yung mga nagpapolish dito, pero license sila na polisher. Good morning. Too early. I only have 2 watches today.
Perfect.
If you can do it like on the spot. It's just as a minor scratch. You can see, I have notes here just to make sure. This one, oh, go ahead. Take your time. Okay. I thought you were serious. Don't show me on the camera. The first watch would be, let me check, I have notes here just to make sure that I'm giving you the right information. Okay. Can you do it on the spot? And then the second watch here also, yeah, there. Here, there, and then the other side, I'm not sure, yeah, that one. There's a scratch too. So it's gonna take time. Here's my friend. There you go. He's up. Polish it now. Okay guys, ayan, papolish nyo na. Yung isa on the spot, makukuha natin. And then yung isa, tatanong ko pa sa boss ko kasi medyo maraming polish na yung nangyari. So kailangan niya makausap para i-inform siya na ang dami ng polish. What's her number?
323.
11:45 a.m. Are you gonna call me or I just have to
I'll call you
just to make sure, exactly.
Yeah.
Including this one, so I'm gonna pick up the same
That's what
together.
you told me.
Okay guys, balikan natin half an hour kasi 2 watches yung gagawin niya. And then yung isa, maraming scratches. Kailangan ng time talaga. I-repolish niya everything. And then babalikan natin mamaya. Okay guys, nag-text na si Polisher, si Anthony. Ready to pick up na. Let's go. Bro, after an hour and a half, we're just picking up the 2 watches na kanina guys. Pinakita ko naman sa inyo. Okay, let's go. Kunin na natin kasi isi-ship na daw yun. So, $140. Thank you so much. Walang anuman. You know how to speak Tagalog. Nakakatawa kasi maraming Pilipinong nag-work dito sa downtown. So they know how to speak some Tagalog din. Sabi ko, thank you. Narinig nyo naman. Paliguan natin si Tubol. Magmamas na tayo kasi baka ikain tayo. Dahil nga yung balahibo niya. Samahan niyo ako. Magulo. Dahan-dahan lang ha. Nagsusot tayong jacket kasi pababa tayo. Magta-drop off tayo ng watch ulit. Malamig so. And then we have to be fast kasi kailangan ma-drop off to on time. Okay, update ko kayo. Wait lang. Nag-CR muna tayo kasi iihi na ako. And then, let's go. Punta na tayo sa pagdadrop natin ng watch. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung anong purpose, kung bakit tayo magdadrop off ng watch. Pero, dadrop off lang natin siya. So, nasa akin na siya nakatago.
Nice jacket.
Oh, thank you so much. So it's gonna be cold outside, guys. And habang ginagawa natin to, I got a good news. Oops, thank you so much. Okay. So we have good news, guys, while on the way dito sa ating task. Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo that finally it's out. Yeah, this is us. Our magazine is already out. And we are December covered at Maskio magazine. Oh my God, I can't believe this. And then you can purchase this one for $40 and 39 cents for the print. But I'm gonna post it online, guys, sa social media ko. So thank you, Lord, and I'm happy for this opportunity na na-experience natin na dito pa sa ibang bansa. And imagine, international magazine, na-invite tayo and na-picture tayo na di mo talaga ni-expect. Thank you, Lord. Aside from sharing my journey on how to overcome yung anxiety and depression na na-experience natin. Because of that, marami na-inspire and nakita nila yung post ko. They message me to get featured and to be their December cover. Until now, hindi ko talaga ini-expect yung ganitong experience, and then seeing myself on a magazine is just like pangarap talaga, you know. I'm so excited. Mamaya ako makikita yung mismong digital print, yung mismong loob ng magazine. They will be sending me the free copy, and then para ma-check ko mismo. Ito na tayo. Hi, good afternoon. Is this from Yuda? I'm just gonna drop it off. I'm doing vlog, YouTube. Yeah.
What do you like? You have like a channel or something?
Yeah.
What kind of material you put?
I'm actually showing what I'm doing here. What I usually do, work.
What do you do? Like you do watches, jewelry, or?
No, I was the one who's doing social media. It just so happens sometimes if we have busy, so I need to help them like this.
Okay, I'll give you a call. That's
Okay, thank you so much.
Alright, thanks,
Have a
David.
good day. Okay,
Take care.
bye-bye. Okay, na-drop off na natin yung watch. Thank you. Asher, someone here is gonna give a check. Yeah. Come in. Nag-drop off ako ng watch. Wala akong pinirmahan anything. Okay lang ganun. Okay. Okay guys, nandito tayo sa office. Tapos na yung task natin. And then, let's do edit. Yan na tayo guys. We're done with our work for today. Done, let's go. Good morning guys. Today is Sunday. Church tayo. Kagabi late ako natulog pa. Parang 4 a.m. ako nakatulog. Ang sakit ng ulo ko sobra. Pero still, no matter what happened, we make sure na makapunta tayo sa church. We only have one day in a week para mag-serve kay Lord. Magpasalamat sa lahat ng blessings niya. So let's go. Gloomy weather, malamig. Sama kayo. Tara. Buti na lang yung Sunday service dito sa church na pinagsisimbahan ko. Meron 3 oras. Tapos na tayo sa church ulit. Thank you Lord for this day. Thank you for everything. Hi guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited kasi isa to sa pinakamahal na watch sa buong mundo na maawakan ko. This is an RM or Richard Mille. So nakaset up ako, naka-gloves ako. We're gonna be doing unboxing. Kasi ito na yung chance na opportunity. Tingnan nyo to guys. As in wala. The packaging, wow. So, ayan. This is a Richard Mille. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kamahal ito guys. Mahawakan ko yung ganito kamahal na watch. Naka-gloves ako so it's safe. Imagine mo. Grabe yung itsura. Anyway, mag-unboxing ako, balikan ko kayo, update ko kayo, hindi papakita ko sa inyo yung final na nagawa natin. So dapat maganda to at saka talagang astig kasi. Wow, $300K. I don't know how much is that in peso. Wow. How's in that may business ka na dito in just one watch? Finally done with our unboxing Richard Mille edition, so I'm gonna show it to you. Hi guys, samahan niyo ako, maghugas tayo ng pinggan. Ito yung mga baon ko, pinagkainan ko na kanina umaga ng breakfast bago pumasok. So inugasan ko siya lahat pagdating ng gabi. Kasi ito yung pinaka-free time ko, hindi ko kaya maghugas nung pagkakain. Okay, kasi sa Pilipinas uso yung asanay, huhugas ng plato, naghuhugas ng pinggan. Pag dinner, hugasan mo na yung dinner nyo. Ayan, tapos pupunasan na lang natin yung mga excess na nabasa. Okay, ligo na tayo. Hi guys. Okay, pupunta tayo sa Christmas party. Christmas party ng mga kaibigan ko dito sa LA. So kakagaling natin ng work. Pupunta na tayo sa party diretso. Let's go. Makiki-party tayo and may mga pa-games, ibibideo natin mamaya yan. Okay, let's go. Ang lamig sobra kaya naka-leather jacket tayo today. Dito na tayo ngayon sa party. Here's the event place. I think sa ano lang to, sa lounge ng condo ng kaibigan namin. Ayan, may ganyan. Here's my babe. Pretty. Vlog. Ayan, si Christian.
Hi!
Hi guys, nakalimutan ko i-shoot to. Finally, ang ating magazine. Thank you so much to Maskio kasi pinicture nila tayo for December cover. Ayan, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung part natin. So, eto na! Alam ko mababasa nyo yan. So, another. Wow! Ayan pa, ang angas nito. Ito favorite ko eh. Ayan. Ako na sa inyo kasi hanggang December lang to. And this is actually available worldwide. Kaya lang, expensive siya. So, nila, parang pag kinumpit mo sa, or kinonvert mo sa peso, 3,000 to 4,000 pesos. 3,500 to 4,000 pesos. So, ayan. Ito pa, isa pa itong maangas. Favorite ko. Hindi ko na-expect na ganito ka gandang, ano na to. Itong angas, so grabe. Ito pa. Ayan. Akalain mo yun? Oo, di ba? Nandyan yan. Ayan pa, ang dami, di ba? Ito pa. Smile yarn. So, ayan guys.